The double cover from A.R.E. is the industry's first and only truck bed cover that both lifts and retracts. Developed for many truck applications like the 2020 Chevy Silverado, A.R.E.'s double cover allows for you to have quick bed access with the heavy-duty front hinge. You can also achieve optimal bed access with the retracting feature. It's built with robust aluminum and topped with a protective powder coat finish for ultimate durability and corrosion resistance. The double cover has exceptional protection for your bed to ensure your cargo is safe and secure. It also has a lift assist system that makes accessing the full cover even easier. A.R.E. has really thought of everything with this cover because it also comes with a battery-powered LED light. This truck bed cover is compatible with crossbar accessories, adding yet another level of functionality. With an impressive 550-pound load rating evenly distributed, this truck bed cover can basically handle whatever you throw its way. Tough, functional, and stylish, what more could you want in a bed cover? This is a no-drill installation that allows for use of rail bed liners, bed rugs, spray-in liners, and most aftermarket bed rail caps. With some basic hand tools, you can have this piece installed in just about an hour or two. It's available for newer model Ford, Chevy, Ram, GMC, and Toyota trucks. The double cover from A.R.E. is backed with a limited lifetime warranty so you can outfit your truck with confidence.